Hi everyone, welcome to this Reckon Payroll how-to video. Today, we'll take you through how to create a pay run in Reckon Payroll. Let's get started. To create a new pay run in Reckon Payroll, click on the Add Pay Run button at the top. Select whether this is a scheduled pay run if applicable. For the purposes of this example, I'll create an unscheduled pay run, but to learn how to use pay schedules, check out the Pay Schedules how-to video linked in the description. Next, you can give your pay run a unique name to easily identify it in your pay run list if you wish. Then, designate the pay date and pay period for this specific pay run. Next, you have the option to select whether your employees' pay items are pre-filled in the pay run from their pay setup details, or copied from the previous pay run they were included in, or finally not at all, so you can do so manually. In this video, I'll create a pay run from scratch, but check out the video linked in the description for information on how to use the Pay Setup feature to streamline your pay runs. Next, select the employees to be included in this pay run. When you're ready, click on the Create button. Your pay run will generate in draft status and it is now ready for you to edit. On the screen, you'll see the current status and details of the pay run. You can now enter the specific pay details for the included employees. You can do so by simply clicking on the edit icon on the respective employee. First, enter an earnings item for the employee. If you've entered an employee's pay details in their pay setup, you have the option to use their default earnings rate. Or, if you'd like to use your own custom rate, toggle to the No option to enter your own rate for this earnings item. Click Add to enter the earnings to the pay run. You can add more than one earnings item for an employee in the pay run if it's applicable. You can also view the current leave balances the employee has, which is really handy when paying annual or personal leave, for example. Super Guarantee is automatically calculated for you at the statutory rate. You can add additional super items if applicable, and check out our videos linked in the description for more information on how to set up additional super items and super funds. If your employee has opted to salary sacrifice to super, you can enter this in the salary sacrifice field. Tax is also automatically calculated for you, which you'll see here. If you'd like to opt for a custom tax amount, click the Tax Withheld item, toggle on the Custom Tax option, and then enter the tax amount you wish and click on Save and Close. If your employee has any allowances or deductions for this pay period, be sure to add the respective items in the pay run. After you have completed entering the pay details for an employee, and you have multiple employees within the same pay run, click the Next Employee button at the bottom to move to the next employee. Once you've finished entering the pay details for all employees in the pay run, Review the balances to ensure everything is correct. If you'd like to preview the payslips before finalizing the pay run, you can do so by clicking the Options button and then click Preview Payslips. When you're happy and ready to proceed, click on Mark as Paid. This will finalize the pay run and mark it in a paid status. You can then continue on to the STP declaration page, which will allow you to send this pay run information to the ATO as part of your Single Touch Payroll reporting obligations. To send the STP submission, click the Submit to ATO button. Enter your full name in the field, tick the declaration after reviewing it, and then click the Submit to ATO button. Once your submission has been sent, you'll find a record of it under STP in the Compliance menu. The ATO will process your submission and the status will be updated depending on the result. It's important to check this regularly to ensure your submissions have been processed successfully by the ATO. To send payslips to your employees, click on the pay run and then select the View and Send Payslips button. A list of all the employees that are part of that specific pay run will appear. You can preview the payslip and send additional copies to another nominated email address if required. When you're ready, press the Send button and your payslips will be emailed. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that's provided you an overview of the quick and simple process of creating a pay run in Reckon Payroll. For more how-to videos on Reckon Payroll, check out our playlist linked in the description. And for support, please visit us at help.reckon.com or join our community at community.reckon.com.